Esta experiencia nos ha marcado y nos ha llevado a un momento sumamente difícil.
Bajo toldo tú no puedes criar a tu familia, porque como quiera que sea, se mojan, estamos incómodos, pasamos frío, tenemos necesidad de que, pues, que a lo mejor, pues, como no estamos en la comunidad de un hogar, la vamos a seguir sufriendo.
En el comedor había un mueble y empezó a tirar toda la cristalería y no podía pasar porque el movimiento era tan fuerte que y a oscuras no veía. Y aquí fue que me refugié.
No sé si tú te has fijado que la tierra de aquí no ha dejado de temblar. Va a haber muchos casos de ansiedad y de depresión por las pérdidas de la gente.
Hace como 3 días hizo uno de 5.0. La casa se movía. Tenemos salud y podemos salir adelante.
You know what I need right now?
What do you need right now?
A psychologist.
No, that's what I was going to tell you. Just talking to you now, I knew you were.
You have no idea. All I got is God.
With the earthquake, the short beams cracked. So they lost residency twice already. So we have them living in one area in the back.
Buenos días. ¿Tiene personas aquí?
When the earthquake happened, we had conversations with City Hall to put together a team to go down and see what the needs are. Our goal in emergency management is to make sure that we're supporting the local municipalities, the local governments and the local people to make sure that we can get the right resources to the right place.
Every night they call me, Daddy, are you home? Daddy, are you home? I said, no, I'm still helping people out. And I want to show my kids if they have a moment like this where they need to help a neighbor out, they should do it.
After the earthquake, we were almost going to start school. And we start waiting. Let's see what the Department of Education of Puerto Rico will tell us to do. And we're still waiting. So I was like, we should do something. Like today we have the students of the University of Puerto Rico teaching them about animals, sharks, and kids, they're loving it.
Why we have these domes is the schools are not safe. A lot of students might not even be able to graduate if things continue this way.
Ahora va a ser bien difícil meter a los nenes otra vez al aula. Yo creo que esto no va a ser posible. Queremos estar afuera, la escuela ideal que queremos nosotros la estamos montando aquí.
¿Qué necesidad tienen ahora mismo ustedes que la diáspora nos pueda estar colaborando?
La comida de bebé, el pediachuar y el enchuar. Increíblemente a nosotros más nos ha hecho falta y que el consumo es mayor en este lugar.
Si alguien a mí me pregunta con sinceridad que tú necesitas, materiales de construcción. Necesitamos para esta gente que tenga su casita.
For now, it's mostly the food, interior clothes like panties, bras, underpants for the children because they get dirty a lot. And the laundries are closed and they just opened them up this week and there's a lot of dirty clothes going around.
Remember you made a wish?
Yeah.
I think your wish just came true.
I'm so happy because she brought us some tents, some air mattresses, diapers, food for the babies. Thank you. Really thank you, everybody. You know, for me, it's an honor to have you here, and it's really an relief for me to see that there's still good people that want to help us. We're not forgotten.
What's it like to come down and meet family and help them out like this?
I'm honored. Bring tears to my eyes.
Yeah?
Yeah.